Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're not on the iPhone, but we will be showing you how to save more battery. Specifically, we'll be showing you how to save more battery life on iPhone 13 Pro Max. So as you can see, we're on apple.com/batteries, maximizing battery life and lifespan. Now, as you can see, obviously, Apple is already giving you some tips on their website. We will be also going through some of our personal tips as well. Make sure to update to the latest software. This is a must. You need to have this. So if you're using iOS 5 or later, see if you need an update, right? You go to settings, general, and then software update. Now, that's the first thing, how to save some battery from your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, second thing is optimize your settings, right? There are two simple ways you can preserve battery life no matter how you use your device. Adjust your screen brightness and use Wi-Fi, right? So again, dim the screen and turn on auto brightness to extend battery life. This is a lifesaver. Honestly, it saved me a lot of battery every single day, right? To dim, open control center and drag the brightness slider to the bottom, right? Now, you can also auto brightness, right? You can enable that. Obviously, we also have enable low power mode. So we can enable low power mode. This is great if you have, for example, 30 or under 50% and you want to be able to, save that battery even more. So you can save that battery by enabling low power mode. You just go to settings and go and click on low power mode or search low power mode. Or you can go to settings and battery and then click low power mode. Obviously, you can view battery usage and all that, but what I wanted to show you is this website actually gives you a lot of great tips on saving your battery. So disable background app refresh. As you can see, you can go to settings, general, and then background app refresh and turning off the background app refresh toggle. Now this is great. Again, you can use that. Again, use Wi-Fi whenever possible. Wi-Fi consumes less battery than a cellular connection, so this will maximize your battery, right? Now, we can skip this, but turn off automatic downloads and app updates. I don't think this will help a lot, but turning off location services may help, right? Also, turning off your Bluetooth, right? It can help a lot as well. Then, using dark mode. Now, if you don't use dark mode, this will save you a lot of battery. Trust me. I was pretty surprised, but yeah, using dark mode helps you and your battery in your phone to save more battery, basically. So again, enabling low power mode, that's just pretty self-explanatory, as I said. And yeah, here you can also enable reduce motion of interface. You just go to settings, accessibility, and motion, and then turn on reduce motion, or off if you want, but I would pretty much turn it on. And obviously make sure everything's up to date, right? That's the third thing, right? So there's no magic pill when it comes to battery life tips and tricks, right? You just have to use a couple of things from this tutorial, and those are basically basic things. So what I would use, 3 tips, what I would use to save more battery is I would make sure everything is up to date. I would enable low power mode. Obviously dark mode, I would use that. And that's pretty much it, right? Whenever I'm going out, I would use, Wi-Fi whenever possible, and that's pretty much it. That's how I save, 90% of my battery, and my battery health is at 100%. So that's pretty much what I would do. Comment down below what you would do to save your iPhone 13 Pro Max battery. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.